Hi everyone, it's Dr. Ozzy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about vitamin C serum. We've all heard that it is a must in your skincare routine, but let's first talk about why. Vitamin C helps stimulate your collagen, helps protect you against environmental damage, sun damage, and that means it helps preserve your collagen. So not only does it stimulate new collagen in your skin, but it also helps prevent the breakdown of your collagen. So the other benefit of vitamin C serum is it helps fade discoloration. So if you've got brown patches, if you have melasma, if you have sun damage and you want to lighten those brown spots, vitamin C is great for that. So it really does a nice job of brightening your skin. So let's talk about the pitfalls of vitamin C, because not all formulas are the same. So vitamin C comes usually as a serum, but it can also come as a cream. It's a great product to incorporate into your morning routine because it helps defend your skin and ward off environmental damage. But a lot of times the vitamin C formulations may be irritating to the skin, and that's because vitamin C can break down into a molecule called DHAA, which can further break down into an acid. And when the acid goes on the skin and you expose it to the sun, it can actually burn. So it can burn your skin and cause your pigmentation to actually get worse, which is why I say don't put fresh lemon on your skin, especially in the summer, because it's the same thing. It has vitamin C that turns into an acid that then causes a skin burn. So that's kind of the opposite direction we want to go here. So I would suggest a concentration between 10 to 20% vitamin C, but just because it's a higher concentration doesn't mean it's better. And I'll tell you why. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is highly unstable. It needs a low pH, preferably around 3.5. So the stability of the vitamin C is just as important as the concentration. So a good vitamin C serum might be on the more pricier side. The other thing about the formula to know is that does the formula allow for the vitamin C to cross the skin barrier and actually get into your skin? Because if it can't get into your skin, then it's not going to be very effective to brighten that complexion, stimulate your collagen. So I want to show you this demo video that we used with Illuma C and see the difference. I want you to see how the vitamin C helps prevent the rotting of this apple. So check it out now.
Okay, so check this out. This is the not treated with the Illuma C ferulic, and this side is the treated side. And you see the difference? You see how the Illuma C ferulic really prevented this apple from rotting into a brown color. So this is a nice demonstration of what vitamin C ferulic could do in terms of protecting the skin and helping with weathering.
Okay, wasn't that video super cool? So let's talk about the don'ts with vitamin C. You don't want to combine it with things like benzoyl peroxide or cleansing oil, because that may cause more irritation and may cancel the vitamin C out. Always use it right after cleansing and before your SPF cream. I prefer to use it in the morning. You can use it morning and night, but if it's too much for you and you have to just apply it once a day, use it in the morning, because remember, it helps defend the skin against damage from the sun, environment, pollution. The other thing to be aware of, if you are starting on Retin-A and you're on vitamin C, the combination of the two may cause more irritations. I usually tell my patients to hold off on starting your vitamin C until your skin gets used to the Retin-A. In some people, the combination of the two might be a little too irritating for the skin. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe, and send me a message or comment below. Let me know what other topics you want me to cover.